Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Authority. So today we're going to learn how to create a jumping game using Scratch. So first of all, we're going to choose a background. I'll select a background. Going to go with that one. And next, we're going to choose a sprite. So we'll go with Dinosaur. Let's see. Don't mind, that's my cat. Okay, so we'll go with the Dinosaur. Then I'm gonna change the size to 60. Have it right there. We can change the color too, so I can go to costume and say I want my dinosaur to be purple. No, this part you have to select which part, so I want it to be purple. I want the body to be green, it's okay. I want the tail to be orange. Wait, I want all of it to be purple anyway. Yeah, and then I got tail to be green. I want the legs to be blue. We set the leg 2 to be blue. It's darker, but it's fine. And then I want the head to be, let's just go with the green. Okay, we can go with that, that's cool. But the feet looks different. Let me make this darker. Okay, that's much better. No. Let's see. That will work. Anyway, so we're gonna use that costume. So first we're going to make this dinosaur, this is our sprite. We're going to make it under motion. We're going to change it. So from this side to this side, moving from right to left, left to right, that's X, and up and down, that's Y axis. So we'll say change by Y by 10. You see, it's moving up by 10. And we want this motion to be repetitive, so we're gonna go to events, control, and do repeat 10 times. So if you press it, the dinosaur will move up more. So we're gonna do the same thing for the dinosaur to move down. So we'll say change by Y, but this time we're going to say -10. So if you press, you can see the dinosaur is moving down. And then under control, we'll still make the motion repeat itself. So when you click here, when you click here it moves up, when you click here it moves down. But then we want this to happen whenever you click. If you go to events, whenever you click the spacebar, that should happen. So whenever you click spacebar, it moves up. Put it here. Whenever you click the spacebar, it moves down. See, it's moving up and down, but it's moving like that because it's starting from this point. So if you drag it down to the ground there, it's gonna move up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So I'll make this 20 and this -20 to see how high. See, that's how high it's gonna move. So that's good for now. So next we're going to add another sprite. So we'll go to sprite and add an obstacle. So in this case we're going to use, because the dinosaur is in the desert, we're going to use the cactus plant. We're trying to replicate the game you play on the computer when you have no internet, when it's offline. When your browser is off, there's no internet, your browser pops up, that kind of game. So we'll look for a cactus. I hope they have a cactus, maybe not. Let's see. They have strawberry, they have which one do we use? Let's see. We can use there's no cactus, so we're gonna have to improvise and use something else. Let's see. Cactus is a plant, so animal, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food. See if there's food here. Let's see if there's, for animals, I don't think we'll have cactus in the animals, but then we don't have plants here, so let's see. Cactus, yeah, they don't have cactus plants. So we're going to use food as an obstacle. So let's go with the strawberries, I guess. So to just add color, so I'm gonna change the size of the strawberry to 50. Yeah, that's good. And then I'm gonna move this strawberry to this point, and by doing so you'll see we have an empty space to code in for this strawberry. So we want to get the position of this strawberry, so we'll go to motion, and for our, we want the strawberry to move from right to left, not from up down. So we're going to use the X instead of the Y. So we'll say go to, this is the position the strawberry is at right now. So if you bring this here and you try and move this there, and then you click go to that, you see it goes back to the same position. So that's where the strawberry will be starting from. So from there, we need the strawberry to start from this position and then glide all the way towards the dinosaur. So we'll use glide, but it can't glide to that position, so we want it to glide towards, you know, the dinosaur. So we want it to glide towards that direction. So we'll pick this and put it there. So if I put the strawberry in a random position right there, and I click here, you'll see what happens. The strawberry goes back to that X position initially that was here, and then glides towards the dinosaur. But because it's gliding at a very fast rate, I want it to move slowly, so I can use 3. Let's see, 3. Yeah, that's okay. So that's for level 1, and as level goes by, you can change to 2 to change the speed, and then later you can change to 1 to change the speed to quick. Okay, so we're gonna start with 3 for now. Now with that done, we want it to be continuous, to keep going round and round. So we're gonna go to controls and choose forever, because we want it to loop, to keep looping, to keep going and coming, because it's an obstacle that the dinosaur needs to, you know, avoid the obstacle to gain points. So if you click forever, you'll see the strawberry, it's constantly moving. Okay, so we can stop that, And then now we'll go to part 2. Okay,